Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and tech. Today, we have something exciting to talk about: the TPyesss Bluetooth speakers. These speakers have been making waves in the market, boasting a peak output of 80 watts. And a plethora of features designed to elevate your music experience. Let's dive in and see what makes them stand out from the crowd. First up, let's talk about the TWS function. These speakers support true wireless stereo, allowing you to pair two speakers simultaneously for a true stereo surround experience. Plus, with the beat-driven light show featuring 10 vibrant colors and 6 dynamic flashing modes, your music transforms into a visual spectacle. But it's not just about the visuals. These speakers pack a punch when it comes to sound. With the latest bass technology and a dedicated bass button, you can feel the deep, rich bass thumping through your veins. And don't forget the knob volume adjustment, giving you precise control over your audio experience. Now, let's talk about the build quality. These speakers are crafted from wood, a naturally non-resonant material that minimizes distortion and delivers a clearer, richer sound. Plus, they're portable and durable, making them perfect for outdoor adventures or indoor gatherings. Connectivity is a breeze thanks to the advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology. You can quickly pair your device and stream music from anywhere in the room. And with additional input options like TF card, aux, USB, and Type-C, you have plenty of ways to enjoy your favorite tunes. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the TPyesss Bluetooth speakers, praising their sound quality, connectivity, and immersive lighting effects. Whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a quiet night in, these speakers have got you covered. That's all for today's review of the TPyesss Bluetooth speakers. If you're looking for a portable speaker that delivers impressive sound and stunning visuals, look no further. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, your source for honest, insightful reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Until next time, happy listening.